Hey everyone, it's Luandile here, the leader and the instructor of Manikwe School. In case you're wondering what the heck is Manikwe School is actually a school that is dedicated to teaching programming by problem solving. Okay, so essentially what I do is I simply pick a textbook or a bunch of slides and then I go through exercises on each and every chapter. That way different pieces of code will be shown, right? Or rather different concepts will get demonstrated. That way you will get to see how different pieces come together. Okay, I've got a ton of videos on Java programming, and right now lately I just thought, why shouldn't I just do Python now that I've got a ton of videos on Java? Okay, so here I am. I've decided that I am gonna do Python as well. Okay, so I just want you guys to take a good look on these slides. I don't know if this is a textbook or a bunch of slides, but it doesn't matter. Okay. Again, it's a pretty old textbook, as you can see. And the reason for that is I don't want people to copy and paste my solutions. What I do want though, I want them to get to see how different Python concepts are used, or rather applied. However, on YouTube I'll only cover exercises on chapter 1, which is getting started, chapter 2 for loops. I'll cover chapter 1 up to chapter 4. Okay, chapter 4 will be the last chapter on YouTube. So chapter 5 onwards, this is the content, you guys. So these are all the chapters we'll be dealing with. So chapter 5 all the way up to the end will only be available on my website, which is simply www.manikweschool.com. That is where you'll find solutions on all of these chapters. Okay. And again, you guys, at any point in time, feel free to let me know on YouTube in case maybe I came up with a solution that you're quite against, or perhaps I had a logical error which each and every programmer happened to have at some point. Okay, you just let me know. I am no machine, I'm a person, so people are prone to errors. Okay, yeah, you guys, these are all the chapters I'll be covering. I will try to solve each and every exercise on all of these chapters. Yeah, you guys, that should be pretty much it for this video. I just thought I should do a little bit of introduction. That way I can show you guys the textbook I'll be using. However, I am gonna leave a link to the website where I downloaded this PDF from. You do not necessarily need to have this PDF. However, it can simplify things for you. In fact, it will simplify things for you even more if you get this PDF, right? I know you might be having a Python textbook, perhaps a hard copy or a soft copy, it doesn't make any difference, which has a bunch of chapters shuffled. Maybe they don't necessarily follow. They don't necessarily follow each other the same way as they do on this book here, but it doesn't matter. For instance, your textbook might start with while loops. That doesn't mean you cannot follow my thing. You can, however, you're gonna have to jump straight to my websites because I will only cover while loops on my websites. Okay, again, the idea here, you guys, is you here to watch and grasp how Python concepts work, period. That should be it, you guys. I'll see you on there. I'll see you when we actually do the coding, when we actually tackle these exercises. Cheers, you guys. I'm gone.